Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. First of all, by hearing right now, I can 100% understand that the sound is gonna be very bad, so I'm so sorry for that, but I don't know why my computer is doing something and it's just so loud. And also I'm filming at night. I just put my baby to sleep, so obviously I'm not gonna shout. And I can also hear there's a lot of echo in this room because there's not a lot of furniture and stuff, so it's pretty empty. So the sound might be very bad in this video. In advance, I am really sorry for that. Anyways, let's start the video. So basically, today's video is going to be another hair tutorial, coloring tutorial. I did one not that long ago where I colored my hair peach. And I did it with Uberliss, and I don't know if I mentioned in that video, but I said that I also got the pink color, soft pink Dahlia, and I said that I'm gonna definitely in a very soon future try this color. So this is that future, and today we're gonna try the soft pink Dahlia. So this is Uberliss most sustainable color. It's all vegan, all natural color that is of course washing out with every hair wash, and yeah, I'm very excited to try it because I have bleached hair, but I did color my hair a few weeks ago a little bit like gray, blonde gray. I'm not fully bleached blonde, I am like grayish blonde. I hope the color is gonna be like a very rosy pink, not like straight up pink. So yeah, I guess let's stop ramble. It is almost 10 o'clock, so let's start this video. So I'm just gonna start as I always start. Now I'm gonna first section my hair. I'm gonna start with the back of my hair, then I will continue with the front. So I just massaged the skin in my hair really nicely. I think I'm just gonna wait like 20 minutes, 25 minutes until it works in really nice, and then I'm gonna wash it and we'll see the finished color. Usually I don't like pink, but this one has like a little bit purplish undertone, and I love purple hair. So yeah, see you in half an hour. So I just washed my hair. As you can see, I washed off all my bronzers, so I'm gonna be patchy for the rest of the video. Let's reveal the color. I have a good feeling that this color is gonna be super cute. Oh yes, oh yes. Wow, definitely more than I was expecting, and I love it. It's like a rosy pink, rose goldy, purple undertones. This is a pink that I can definitely live with, and yeah, let's dry our hair and just see how it looks. Totally. I don't know about you guys, but I am obsessed with this color. This is not even pink. It's not purple. It's not rose gold. It's just everything together, and oh my god, I am obsessed. So yeah guys, this is the finished color on my grayish blonde hair. I'm not sure how it will look on bleached hair. I'm sure it will be amazing also, but maybe it will be the same. Who knows? But I am obsessed with this color. It's definitely my type of color. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you wanna try some of Uberliss products or their colors, they're washing out really fast actually, which this time makes me sad because I really love this color and I wish it could stay a little bit longer than just a few weeks. But yeah, I'm gonna leave all their information down below in the description bar, and I'm not gonna style my hair this time because I'm actually gonna pop in the shower and go sleep because I'm so tired. Mom is so tired. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you really enjoyed this video. It was definitely fun for me because I love hair tutorials, hair coloring tutorials. I like to experiment with my hair. And yeah, hope to see you on my next video, hopefully next Sunday, and peace.